because your friend have already showed a picture. There was a girl with you, and
The benefit for us because you can search everything related to your study, and you can search your wrong thing, and you can solve there, and you can upgrade your skill there. You can learn other things.
you are using AI, and suppose you are solving a mathematics question and you couldn't solve it properly or you can't solve it. You first of all you would go on AI and then you would send it. Then after that, ChatGPT would provide you its solution. Hello friends, how are you all? Hope you are doing good. And today we have Happy here, and today he came from his city because he wanted to debate, and that's why we are here and we are going to debate on this topic. The topic is AI. Does AI beneficial to us or not? Because somewhere we think that it's beneficial to us because somewhere we use it sometimes, and sometimes we think that we should not use it. So that's why we are here and we are going to debate on this topic. So now I'm going to tell you something about myself first. So my name is Noordin, and I am from UP district Bagpat. And if I talk about my English journey, it's going well, and I have been learning English since last 1 year. So now I'm going to take it to my friend, then he would tell you something about himself, then we would be continue.
Hello guys, my name is Happy, and I am from UP. If I talk about my English journey, I have been learning spoken English since last 8 months, and now we are doing debate here. Okay, he is in the favor of uh,
He is against
yes, he is against to
AI.
AI, and I am in the favor of AI. Okay, I would like to know you why AI is bad.
Okay, my first point is, if you are using AI, somewhere it is not beneficial to everyone, because I have seen a case. There was a girl, and his mother cased on AI, and she said, my my son, he suicided, and he took many points from ChatGPT and from AI, and that was bad thing, and that's why uh, she was against AI.
Okay, if you do search good thing from AI, you can gain your knowledge there. But if you do search any other things, like you do you do search bad thing, you can't achieve nothing there. I think that girl was doing other searching other things there. I mean to say that.
Okay. Let me tell you, he searched how to suicide because he thought he had some bad things in his mind. That was boy, and he asked from ChatGPT, and he said how to suicide and what should we do first. Then after that, what should we do? And that's why he suicided. And his mother was against, and his mother reported on AI.
On AI.
Yes.
Okay. I think I think that girl was not good. His mind. I think.
That was
Yes, that was boy.
that boy was not.
Yes, that was not a boy.
That boy was not
Okay,
good.
boy या girl.
Boy.
Girl थी ना?
No, that was boy and his mother.
Okay, that was boy and mother. Not a good. I think if I talk about me, but if you use AI in this generation,
Okay, let me tell you. So you want to say it's depend on human. If you are searching good things, it would help you, and if you are using it a long term, it would not harm you. It would not beneficial to you, or it would harm you. Yeah. Okay, leave it. So let me tell you first thing. If you are using AI and suppose you are solving a mathematics question, and you couldn't solve it properly or you can't solve it. You first of all you would go on AI and then you would send it. Then after that chat GPT would provide you its solution. But you would not work your mind because you would not think that how to solve it and which one formula should I apply in this. Your mind would be out of order. It would not working properly because you would not think. That's why. And whenever you would be in exam, at that time you if you would not clear any questions, you would not solve any questions. At that time you would think that I can't use AI here and I can't use mobile because mobile is not available and government and other teachers they will not let you use mobile there. So that's why my thing is we should not use AI at that time.
Okay. Okay, if you have difficult question, you can you can send to AI, and AI provides you right away. You send it. It is a good thing for us because you are asking a difficult question like you are asking mathematical question. We have a difficult question in mathematics. Do you know about it? We can search it and we can gain knowledge, and we can search uh, other I think knowledgeable question there, and we can earn knowledge there. This is good thing for us. How can you say like this?
Okay. Let me tell you, I said if you have a difficult question and you can't solve it properly and you are going to send it on chat GPT or AI,
Yes.
and then it will provide you that question. You would not think on question, like you would not think that how to solve it because chat GPT would have provided you all things. Then you would not aware about your mind and that question. So that was my point. And yeah,
Okay. If I talk about AI in future, it is beneficial for us because it provides many types of things like AI robot things like this, and AI generator app like this. You can translate anything from there.
okay, let me tell.
Yes.
Okay, let me tell you one thing. But if it would be discovered in future, it would very harmful in our future. And let me tell you one thing. I have seen many cases in Instagram, YouTube, or in real life also. We can create a picture like we are here, and if I took or I take a screenshot and I click a photos, and I may change you girl. I may turn that picture in girl form. Then I would show you in your family. Like I want to say, if I change myself to girl and I show you your family that she is girl and he is with her,
Okay.
but I was boy and I am a boy, but your family member would slap you and they will beat you. I have seen these things in many times. I have watched a video. There was a boy and there were a group, and one of boy he changed one of boy in girl, and he saw his father, and his father took it in a room, and his father beat with the help of wood, and he said many bad things to his brother and his friends also. At that time I thought that if I use it, because many people are in India who are not educated, they are not aware about these things. They think that if someone is going to show you something your family, they will believe, because they don't believe they are children, he can't do or he will do or not.
Let me tell you one thing about it. Okay. I think they don't know about what is AI. I think this is
Yeah.
in this situation, and they can think he, they can think that you are with girl because they don't know what is AI. But if you tell them this is AI, they can understand, and they can't beat you never.
Okay.
That's the why point. That's my point.
Okay, let me tell you one thing, because they are not educated in our family member, because they are old person and they did not used to study and they couldn't go to school. That's why. And if I talk about, if you are going to say this is AI, after that you would say after beating, because they would slap you, and suppose your friends show a picture, and then you came out in your home, then your father and your mother show you like this way, very angrily, and you are asking to them what happened, then they catch you, and then after that they beat you properly, and they bet you very properly.
Okay.
And then you are saying that was AI, and how could they believe? And if they believe, but you have already beaten by them, what would you do?
Okay, I would understand them because I would say to them, this is AI. I changed my picture from AI. This is no AI. This is not a real thing. You should not understand it is a real. I am here, but I am changed my pic.
How would you change? That is my point. And if you are going to change it, and how will your family member would recognize, and how would they believe? Because your friend have already showed a picture. There was a girl with you, and she was doing something with you, like, and she was walking with you. He made this type of picture. I made with my friends.
Okay. I would show picture in front of them. I am doing this thing in front of them. This is me, and this is not other girl. It is only AI generated picture. That is my point. Yes.
Let me tell you one thing. If your friend have showed that picture, how would you let them believe, your family member? If you will show that picture, like, I was doing this work, how would they believe you, and why?
Because they do believe me.
How
Uh,
do they believe?
They believe me from because they know about me, who I am, and I am them son. This is my point. But let me tell you other thing about it. AI, you can AI. What is AI?
Artificial
Yes, I know about it. The artificial intelligence. If I talk about our country in AI generators, uh, in this generation, AI comes in this many years. I think completed here AI. The AI is a benefit for us because you can search everything related to your study, and you can search your wrong thing, and you can solve there, and you can upgrade your skill there. You can learn other things, skill like this.
And it is a snatching job, like, as you, if you are doing a marketer, like you are designer,
Yes.
you make some pictures, you can't make, because, and no one will make you this type of picture, because they can generate with the help of chat gpt and AI. And if I talk about teachers, it's snatching, AI is snatching many jobs. And what about that? Yes.
Okay, I know about it. AI snatching is snatching jobs because they do it I think does it does do job itself because it is AI compared to it is provide artificial technology. And if you are talking about they are snatching jobs because why is it snatching job? Because he sorry, it does do work itself properly, but if a person doing a work, he can't do well compared to AI generator. This is my point.
How can you say it can't work properly? It can work easily. And if I talk about, suppose you want to have you want to generate a picture, there is a Modi ji, like, suppose.
Yes.
And you want to create a picture, like, by the hand, this type of picture you want to generate, you can write a prompt, like, you can write a, I want to have a picture, there would be mentioned a Modi ji, and it would be written by text or by drawing by hand drawing like this, and it would provide you free of cost, and it would not give you some money also.
AI.
Yes, that's why I'm saying it is not beneficial to us, and that's why I said we should not use it.
Okay. Okay. Sorry, I left it. I did. Sorry.
They related to army. It can't take place from army. Like it can't do work there.
Yes, army.
Tell me.
No, I have other thing. I have other thing. Let me tell you about it. What is my point? Okay. I have one point. Okay. If you don't know about how to edit photo,
Okay.
and you can send to AI, and it provide in second. It edit your photo in seconds, and it can send few second, and it relate to your colorful and very beautiful picture edit.
Okay.
It can do this work.
That's why I'm saying it is a snatching job. If you are a editor and you suppose you are a editor, you edit my videos, and now I am using AI and I can edit my video through the AI. So I will not hire you. And why will I hire you? Because I am creating my videos, I am editing my video with the help of ChatGPT. So that's why, and you would not have work. So what is the benefit?
If I talk about video editing, AI, artificial intelligence, does not do this work. Video editing only, it can change your picture colors, and it can edit your picture well. Not I am not talking about video editing. I am also suggest you one question in this term.
Okay, if it can't edit videos, but it can generate a picture, and suppose I need a thumbnail only, I can take a thumbnail from ChatGPT. I make this type of vlog, and I need a thumbnail. It can provide me free of course. It would not take any charge. I have made many thumbnail. You can search on my channel also.
Yes.
That was a story. Yeah.
This would complete.
Yeah. You can say related to army. और AI वहाँ पर वर्क नहीं कर सकता. Army जितने
If I talk about army, like the Indian army and police also, and other police, AI does not work there. It does not work. ये तो तेरा point है तेरा. मुझे को दे रहा था.
Okay, let's
Finish.
Okay, we are going to finish this session because I have to learn a new skills. I would show you after learning that skill because I am going to start it soon. Today I am going to start it. So that's why we have to complete this session. So thank you so much guys. If you liked this video, don't forget like, share and subscribe. And if you have in a mind, you may drop a message on my comment into the box. And if you don't have any point, and if you don't have any partner, you may comment on my into the box. And if you don't have any word to say, you may write a thanks in comment into the box, and you may send me a emoji like heart emoji, and other emoji you may